Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage stock market volatility with Vanguard, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding stock market volatility is essential for every investor. The first step in managing volatility is to adopt a long-term perspective. Focus on your investment goals and risk tolerance. Next, consider diversifying your portfolio. Investing in different asset classes can help reduce risk. You can explore Vanguard's index funds and ETFs for broad market exposure. These funds offer a cost-effective way to diversify your investments. The third step is to maintain a balanced asset allocation. Regularly review your allocation based on your risk profile and market conditions. In times of volatility, avoid making impulsive decisions. Stick to your investment plan and resist the urge to react emotionally. Another important aspect is to contribute consistently. Investing regularly, regardless of market conditions, is known as dollar-cost averaging. This strategy can help mitigate the effects of market fluctuations. You should also take advantage of Vanguard's research and resources. Their insights can assist you in making informed decisions about your investments. Consider reallocating assets when market conditions change significantly. Rebalancing can help maintain your desired risk level. Lastly, stay informed about the market without becoming obsessed. Following the news is important, but excessive monitoring can lead to anxiety. By following these steps, you can effectively manage stock market volatility with Vanguard. Building a resilient investment strategy will serve you well in the long run. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.